هل لك سر عند الله بينك أنت.
Hi, my name is Saima and I've got 2 sons that attend this Taleem. They've been here 2 months now, so we're relatively new to the setting. It's definitely increased their Islamic knowledge. They are a lot more aware of the way they should be compared to maybe their non-Muslim peers, which I think is a great benefit. But they're also taught to be very respectful of everyone around them, which not all establishments teach children, which I think is amazing. The benefits are endless. I mean, especially this establishment, because it's not just for younger children, it's also great for older students. They've got adult classes. They've also got the talks, which is every 2 weeks, which I come to, which is amazing for me because I'm new to this area. So it helps. I mean, I've made so many friends through this establishment, which I wouldn't have made if I was left to my own devices. And I think this establishment brings a lot of our community together. It's almost like a glue. I don't think there's an establishment anywhere close by that can compare to this one. Because the teachers here are great, the ustads are great. My children absolutely love their ustad. They're very friendly, they're approachable. I've been in other establishments where the teachers, if there's something you want to bring up, the teachers just don't want to, the ustads just don't want to know. And here they're so much more approachable. They listen. It's not that they just they actually listen and then would use that going forward in teaching your children, which you don't get everywhere else. The curriculum is different from their old setting. My children are still quite new here. So far it's been good. They're enjoying it, and then they enjoy the settings and the way it's been taught to them, this current curriculum. No, I just keep up the good work. I don't know what I'd do without this establishment here, and thank you.